Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What? Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to film this look for y'all. It's a red-ish eye with red glitters, etc. and false lashes, which I'm not used to wearing. Also, I'm going to test out a product which is completely new for me. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. They say it's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but I have never used that before because it's not available here in Holland. So, I thought this concealer did the trick for me. The shades, however, I bought shades C11 and C12. I thought they would be too light for me, so I wanted to buy C13, but then I saw at a swatch photo that C13 was like Oompa Loompa orange. I don't think there are people that are Oompa Loompa orange, right? Or are you? Well, so I don't think anyone is Oompa Loompa orange. I don't know why manufacturers do this, but yeah, it's there and it's nothing near these two shades. So I bought these two. I thought they would be lighter at first, but then I used them and they were awesome. So yeah, that is something that I'm going to use in this video. Also, I thought I was content with these curls today, but then this started to happen. They started to frizz. So if you have a magical option for curly hair like mine, which is also CG, please, pretty please put that in the comment section so I can try it out and not have this frizziness thing in my videos. So, yeah, well, what do I have to say more? I don't know. Yeah, well, subscribe to my channel. If you hit the notification bell, you will be notified if I have uploaded something new for you. And enjoy watching. First off, I'm prepping the face with Glamglow Glowstarter in Nude Glow. I'm so sorry for my voice. My hay fever is killing me. So bear with me, please.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up.
Then I'm going in with the Studio Fix foundation from MAC in color NC44.5. And I'm going to blend that with my Oval 6 brush.
I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good sometimes I don't, I finesse down with the road, finesse. Might go down to G-O-D, wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that no side E is still, bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish.
Then I'm concealing these under eye bags with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C11. And I'm going to blend it out with the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques.
I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, Betty Dub. I even got it tatted on me. 81.
Then I'm contouring the usual areas with the Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in NC50.
And we're blending that also with a expert face brush by Real Techniques.
Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they know me. God's plan. It's been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches, I don't get it, yeah.
Now it's time to slay these brows. I'm using the Anastasia Big Brow Pomade in color dark brown and the brow brush by Real Techniques. And then I'm carving out this brow.
For the both of us. Yeah. No start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me.
Then I'm using the same concealer that we already used, but in a darker shade, which is C12. And I'm using this smaller brush to carve out the brow and hide the lost hairs around my brows, which I usually have a lot, especially now because I don't really have the time to do my eyebrows again.
I make sure that nobody is still bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they
So now it's time for eyes. I'm using the TooFaced Shadow Insurance to make sure that eyeshadow look lasts. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going in with the color Desert Sand first, so I can lay a base to make sure every shadow blends as well as the other. Then I'm going in with the color Eden to make sure my crease is a little more defined.
81, the when crashes through the party. Michael Ton is G.O.D. Yeah, wait, I go hard on Southside G.
Then I'm going in with the color Amber to deepen out the crease a little more.
What's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they wish.
Then I'm going in with the Sigma E40 brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches.
Then I'm dipping this angled brush in the colors Saffron and Blazing and make sure the outer corner is more defined.
I never make you feel like that, 'cause I love me enough for the both of us. Yeah.
And of course, we're blending that in with the Sigma E40.
No start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
Then I'm going in with this detailed shader brush to apply my NYX glitter glue on the sections where I want to apply glitter.
They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't.
And when that glitter glue is tacky, I'm using the brush from the Naked Tree palette and the color Cosmo from the Desert Dusk palette to fill in the gaps.
I make sure that nobody is still bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they
Then I'm lining my eyes with the NYC Cityproof 24-hour waterproof liner.
I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, Betty Dub. I even got it tatted on me. 81, the Dublin crashes to the party. Michael Turner's G.O.D. Yeah, wait, yeah. I go hard on Southside G. Yeah, I make sure that knows I did. Yeah.
So then I'm applying lashes. I'm using the Queen Tarzi lashes in style Nora. I am going to film a detailed video on how I apply lashes. I'm cleaning the under eye area with the light colors of the Anastasia Contour Kit, and then I'm applying some bronzer, the Sun Bunny bronzer by TooFaced with an angled shader brush.
With them bitches, I don't get it, you're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing to me. Shouldn't have to deal with that.
We're going to work on the lower lash line. I'm using a pencil brush in the color Amber to color it first. Then I'm using the same brush and dipping it into saffron and blazing to define it a little more. Then we're going to start highlighting. I'm using the Jefree Starr Skin Frost in Pink 2 and a fan brush.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
Then it's time for a nice lippy. I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in color Spice Girl. This is my favorite one, I swear to God. This is the perfect nude for my skin tone.
I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down with the road, yeah, finesse.
Then we're finishing up with some primer water by Smashbox, and then this look is finished. I hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.